Wyman, Managing Director of Remote Offsite Monitoring. Today I'm just going to show you a little bit about this covert thermal camera system in collaboration with Dahua. They've supplied us the latest thermal technology to detect covert or body temperature. I can explain the different parts in the box and how they work. The Dahua thermal camera, as mentioned, it's a hybrid camera. It has two lenses. Let's unpack it and let's see what's inside there. Well packed, well protected. Comes with a instruction manual and an IP65 compression gland. So when you connect your RJ45 into the camera, you can seal it with this compression gland, ensuring that your entire connection is watertight. Little screws for mounting. Then the camera. Here we go, that's the camera. Vacuum packed to keep it nice and dry, maybe corona free. It's got the two lenses, the one being a thermal lens and the other one just being an optical lens. Nice thing, it's got active deterrent here. Active deterrent means that if it detects an alarm of an over temperature, that light would flash to show you that it's detected something. At the bottom of the camera, which is also nice, it has a speaker, and a speaker will alarm in the event of an over temperature detection. Having a cup of coffee early in the morning, you know, the coffee is not affecting the body temperature scanning system at all, because it's below the face line, as long as it's below the face line. But if it gets above the face line, there we go, it goes into alarm because of the steam that is going on to the face. So if a person comes in carrying a hot beverage, it's not going to affect the system at all. This is the black body device. This device is specifically used for calibration of the entire system. If we have a look at the box, it's got a power lead. And this is the black body calibration device. The way this device works, you preset the temperature on the back of the screen over there. It then emits that temperature in an infrared signal out of the device over here, which goes into the thermal camera. In the thermal camera we set telling it that, so the preset is 35 degrees, that is 35 degrees, but that's what it feels like. The camera calibrates itself and then creates an accuracy of 0.1 of a degree. Vital part of the system, Dahua, the suppliers and the manufacturers of this device. Critical part of the entire solution. Finally, the Dahua AI digital recorder. The AI stands for artificial intelligence of the recorder. Let's unpack it and let's have a look what's inside it. There's a little box with all the accessories inside the box. Accessories such as power supply, network cable, alarm inputs, SCSI cables for your hard drive, power cable, power supply cable for your hard drive. There we go. 1U can also be chassis mount. It's got a little chassis plate. 1U device, that's the front of the recorder. USB for a mouse. Back of the recorder, the nice thing is it's got 8 PoE connections, so you don't even need a PoE switch. Plug your network straight in there, plug your camera straight into there, and it will power it. Power point on the back here, monitor, HDMI or the VGA, and audio outputs. This device comes in a 2 hard drive or a 4 hard drive capability. Very nicely packaged, very well put together, smart and elegant. The AI recorder just records the event, so if you wanted to do a playback, you could actually see who was detected, what time he was detected, and also gives you statistics. It'll tell you X amount of people were measured during the day, so many were positive and so many were negative. Dahua has come up with an awesome product, and it's really worthwhile having a look at this product in areas where there's high volumes. Typically schools, shopping centers, businesses where you have a lot of people in and out the company. This does it all automatically, so we'll show you a little video of how people walk past it, detects people automatically. You don't have to put a little scanner to the head. It's all automated. It can detect up to 15 people simultaneous. Awesome product. It's not just talk, this product works.